Until we matching, I got that dog on because I'm a the deal, y'all. It's your boy Chef Quail
and Chef Holly. We should like the ice cream first and put it like spread it with cream off and put it on top and then these eyeballs.
and we are on that Halloween tip, y'all. Halloween is in a couple days. We matching. Let me see. And she a little puppy. Anyway, my boo got on her stuff too.
And we should break
Say what up.
And we should break these chocolate pieces because we can make it like be one of these berries.
Okay, you guys, we are having Halloween fun. We're having a movie night tonight, you guys, and we are doing this on a school night, boy. Don't care. Yeah, 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 yeah. Anyway, y'all. All right, so Harley is leading the show. I'm just here
I'm gonna go
helping.
first.
She's gonna go first, right
Because
now.
my birthday's first.
Her birthday first. Who's second?
Shayla, and you're last.
And when's my birthday?
November, December.
November, and don't forget it.
But I did get right November.
You did. You got that.
Chocolate. Chris the Dumps.
This chocolate.
Dumpy Dumpy.
All right, y'all. She tripping out right now, y'all. What is? All right, that's good. That's good. You see? All right. So how you gonna dive in? You ever used one of those before?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay. I'm gonna
Tell them what you're doing.
So I'm gonna like, this is for the drop this and then I'm gonna just put it in here and just move it around because I can put this inside of here.
Oh, you talking about the what is it?
The Oreos.
Oreos.
But we're gonna make it be dirt.
Okay, go ahead.
Oh, you want to make it like a dirt cup?
Mm-hmm.
I see.
Ooh.
How you get stronger like that?
Girl.
We need 4 scoops.
Oh. Girl, she tripping. She talking about 4 scoops. Alright, I think that's good.
No, we need 4.
I think 3 should work. Maybe we do another one.
If you do
Yeah,
it
let
like
me
that
help you.
second one.
Like sometimes when it's not coming on, you can just knock it in there. Boom. Yes, sir. Exactly. I can see that coming. Alright, y'all. So I guess we is doing 4. Anyway,
Oh, yeah.
we're gonna put the ice cream out the way.
Wait, no, I still need because I need to smooth it around.
Okay, so
Why don't you get a spoon
Let
too?
me help you. Alright, boom.
No, like smooth it around, like
Yeah, I know what you mean.
Like flatten it.
yeah, like.
Get a spoon, y'all. So what we finna do? We finna get her a spoon. We gonna rinse the spoon off, y'all. TV magic. Cause in real life, I ain't rinsing it off.
I'm gonna do.
Alright, she's smoothing it around. My bad.
Okay, now you could go to start.
Oh,
What-
she said do your thing. Don't worry about her.
You want me to what you want me to do? You want me to crush up this right here? The Butterfinger?
I thought she was gonna put Oreos on her.
Yeah, you know
Yeah,
what
we're
you
gonna do like berries.
Alright, so what
Are
you
you
want?
gonna wait? What is like burying?
Like when people die, they put their name on that.
Oh, like a tombstone.
Yeah.
What are you saying?
Oh, a burying. So you want to make a tombstone?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, you don't want to use the Oreo for a tombstone?
Yeah. No, this.
Okay.
And you're supposed to smush it.
Okay. So you want me to smush it, y'all? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna smush the Oreos.
No,
right?
not that. The ice cream's supposed to go first.
Oh no, this is gonna be, I'm smushing the Oreos in this for you, okay? And I'm gonna take off that part for you. Yeah.
But can I eat this part?
Huh?
Can I eat this part?
Girl,
Make it first.
exactly. Can we make the stuff first?
Can't.
I need to make some stuff. Here, you said, did you say something about the whipped cream? All right, so she want me to take she want me to take this stuff off, boom. Right? That's what you want to do with it?
No,
Huh?
You can put it right here.
Girl, you're not about to just be eating it.
Exactly. So we're gonna move this one to the side, you guys. Boom. All right, so we have the Oreos, right? We'll move them out the way. So she flatten that out. You want me to smush these
Yeah.
into dirt?
Yeah.
So we're gonna smush the Oreos, you guys. And I'm from the trenches, so I'm gonna use my knuckles. Got on some nice clean gloves. You got on clean gloves?
No.
With what?
I'm just gonna do the stuff
All right, so here, let me help you smooth it out.
and I'll help you crush this.
Okay. So I'm gonna help her smooth
So
out.
you put it on, Harley. Why don't you get the other ingredients ready while Dada helping you smooth?
You gonna push that on?
Wait, let Dada cut that because if you break it by yourself, it's gonna break pretty bad. See,
Oh,
you throwing it, gonna break it
you
bad.
broke it already.
Exactly.
So you need a tombstone, right?
Yeah. 2 minutes. But don't put it with it.
So you wanna put the dirt on top of this?
No.
Yeah, show them.
Actually,
Show them how she flattened it,
I helped her, but she flattened it, you guys.
and then show them your crumbs of your Oreo.
And then it's the oil crown. Ooh, looking like dirt.
Yeah.
Okay, so go ahead. Pour it in
Okay.
there. Just dump it, maybe.
Girl, that's gonna take a long time.
Okay.
Can I shake it? Yeah. Oh, let me see. Good job, girl. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna shake it out, y'all, and we're gonna create
Now it's
dirt. Ooh,
finally,
that was a good idea.
Remember
now
they
it's finally time.
Okay, don't you want to add hot fudge?
Oh, yeah.
Hot fudge?
It'll cover the rest of the white that's around.
Are you gonna eat this for real?
Yeah.
Wait, don't you have to warm that up, Marco?
I don't know.
Yeah, it's hot fudge. It ain't hot yet.
Oh, it's not supposed to be hot because ice cream stays cold.
I love hot fudge.
Yeah.
I never knew.
Well, you've given her way too much
This ain't
fudge.
she ain't getting all this trust. Girl, you thought you was? Stop wrong.
I want to eat one Oreo.
Girl, you got 3 Oreos on stuff. You good? You're done. La 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 la.
Chicken. La la chicken in a hole. Hot fudgy. Hot fudgy.
Ooh.
Yeah. All right, where the stuff at?
No. No, put this down, and we grab this chocolate, and we dip it in, and then we stick it.
Oh! So that's the glue. She didn't even really want that.
She didn't really want hot fudge, y'all.
Wait.
So we're gonna grab the tombstone. And you gotta put it like at the head, maybe. Press it down. Ooh, that's cool. And now we got some. Here, grab like 3 of them. Yeah, or probably like.
Whoa! That's way more than 3.
Exactly.
No, it's not. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
We're gonna do 3 of those though, okay? So put them strategically. Here, show Chad what you're doing. She adding that.
Oh! Her tombstone.
Oh, snap.
This is ice cream at the end of the day. I forget it. It's gonna melt. We gotta hurry up.
These other ones are sweating already.
Exactly. I can see the color of her hair changing as we speak.
That's crazy. Girl, you just got the bag. All right, so now we need to add a little bit of sprinkles, but I'm gonna do the sprinkles.
Go sprinkle crazy.
Exactly. I'm glad you can say that, girl. So here we have it, you guys. We have a hot fudge cemetery sundae. Spooky.
I'm the smartest.
You always.
Hey, yo.
Show them up close how your ice cream is, and then you gotta taste it. Go get her a spoon. Explain it to them.
So,
Wait, you gotta show them.
this is the berry, and
That's the tombstone.
that's the tombstone, and this is the eyes, and these are some nice stuff that the people put in, and these are the eyeballs.
Ooh, those are people eyeballs that's like buried there.
Yeah.
And just in case kids in the world want to make this themselves. 10 out of 10? Let me try it.
Breathing hard as ever.
Alright, y'all, so this is Halloween. Look at this Mickey, though, y'all, for real. Look at this Mickey, that's fire.
So you don't want to share.
That's fire, y'all, alright? Y'all have a great night, y'all. We finna pop some popcorn and we finna have a movie. We finna have a spooky movie night, y'all. Happy Halloween, y'all.